Hello, it is another video, and today it is 22. It's 22, a very good number.
Hello guys. Hello Solomon.
Wow,
Yup.
it's not a good. I didn't give you that.
Let's start with the disclaimer.
We are not a registered investment or broker-dealer. All opinions expressed here are from personal research and are intended as educational material.
Yes.
Although best efforts are made to ensure that all information is accurate and up-to-date, occasionally unintended errors may occur.
Yup. And today our verse of the day. Welcome. In a romantic way.
You
Yep.
go.
Okay. And we know that all things work together for good to those who love God, to those who are the called according to his purpose. Rome chapter 8 verse 28. Yep. All things will work good for us today. And let's see what do we have. We have a gap down. A wonderful gap down today actually. Wow, interesting. Would you like to have a small head start introduction for the newcomers? There you go.
Okay. Then we have the large blue, we have the dark blue, and then we have the magenta line here. These are the exponential moving average, 8, 21, 100 in sequence respectively. And then we have two very strong lines that mark our trend. It is the average 200, simple moving average 200, and then we also have the VWAP line. Now these two guide our chart very strongly, and it tells us when to go trades and tells us the pressure of these points. Now, do I have a set out?
It's hard, but there is a 2-minute red takes green.
I mean the whole thing is red tick green.
Here.
This one? Okay.
Yeah. But we do wish that you can subscribe to our channel and listen to the educational videos for more updates as well as understanding how are we going to trade. Well, I'm expecting of course it'll be a down day for Tesla, but I'm expecting a fade before going for a short. So hopefully Tesla can pull back in a while. How do you think that we can approach international chess in our trading? Is there a way we can fork or pin Tesla down for a certain tick? I wonder what will it be like if we
The
ever
fork
pin.
would be the 200 and the VWAP closing up, and then it has a strong force going up or down.
Yeah, that's true. That can apply for the fork, right? Pin will be quite hard actually. In
Pin?
comparison for international chess
I
kind
mean,
of
pin, it could just be not moving.
Yeah, but in a way that you need to earn profit and it's not moving.
No, you don't have to earn profit. It can just be a way where
We
you
pin ourselves on the chair waiting for a setup.
no.
No.
We want to check whether we are getting pinned on and then we
yes.
don't make a trade when it's pinned.
Yes, correct.
You see,
That's fantastic actually.
a
That's
pin
good.
and a fork, right? So let's say we have like what is it now? Fibonacci or whatever
Yes,
strong
correct.
things that keeps us going like this, and then it just jitters for
True.
a straight line. Well, we can pin that because it's a straight, and you would lose technically over time. But then
You'll get FOMO as well.
yeah, and then these two lines going down, and then slowly like here it will make a fork going up.
That's true. But we have 20 more seconds to go. Can I request for buying a put immediately upon the open and sell?
No.
No, once again he refused. Okay, no more 1 minute one and done. Guys, you guys will love it actually. Our viewer will love it.
No.
No?
No.
They get FOMO and they crash the table and things like that. No?
No.
Don't you think so? Okay, imagine I took it immediately now. Wow, you see it gaps down.
The resistance line is the check.
Yeah, this is the reason why I want to buy the puts on open.
There's a amount of mosquito.
Oh, in the room, scary. So, what do you suggest we do now,
You
Solomon the Wise?
You wait.
You wait. Okay, presume there is a stock here asking you to take a call and the other one asking you to take a put. Both claim that it will work. How shall you judge, Solomon? Remember the baby thing? Yeah, you see, my put works. Usually, my take for Tesla when you have a gap down is I'll have a one and done for the up and also for the down, but usually I'll short it immediately on the open. Then when I get a profit, I'll just clear it quickly. Okay, we have a one and done at 876.41, which I'm not taking. You should go up and try to hit the S1, and if you feel, you can just bounce down towards the lower part of the S1. But I'm still looking for it to go up a bit so that it can fade up, then we can continue to short.
Short.
Yeah, I know Solomon is not for short.
I'm wise, but I'm
Why? Short looks good.
no.
No?
You can still roll one when you have wisdom D20.
Yeah, correct. But Solomon has wisdom of 30.
You roll one, you still fail.
He got the legendary reaction to
And all three
reroll.
of them failed.
He got the super legendary reaction of always pass. Okay, the market
Okay.
one is 74 point. Okay, which is now. Sorry. He got the natural resistance. Okay, I was wanting it for it to pass through the low point, which is the 872.19 actually. Okay, I'll cut loss once again. 877. No cut loss for me actually. Okay, we are trying to move towards it. Okay, a passing through of 872.19 will create a large gap down, which I will immediately press sell. Of course, if you are given the chance anyway. Okay, the second gap down is 73.26. Okay, going. And let's see whether it passed through. Okay, it passed, and this is the gap down that I'm looking, and I'm pressed. Goodbye, guys. That's a nice market one, right? See how it bounced up? That's why I would suggest actually for everyone that we immediately sell it. Not that we will not go past 870.
This is when you push up your queen, but then they have a relative pin.
Yes.
And you have to push your queen back again.
The castle actually
So
is there.
you made nothing.
We treat 870 as the castle, right? I'm good at this because I'm Matthew. Yup. Isn't it?
What's the tax?
What's tax? What kind of tax? Remember the Matthew, the tax collector?
I tax you
Yeah.
for fish.
You tax me for fish? No, I'm going to tax Tesla. Okay, actually a very good gap up. If we hit 874, I am actually hoping for it to gap up first before hitting down actually. But looks like it's going to pass through the full whole number. No more trading today. No more trading now actually. We will be
Today.
pinned. Let's pin for about Let's pin until it goes further down. Pin.
So this is where you want to develop natural development on your pieces.
If you guys are interested to know what is pin, please join the International Chess Association.
Wow.
Then you can compete against Solomon here. His current international chess score is about 4,000.
Hey, I would be not even the bot.
The great grandmaster. Oh, that's 4,000 will be better than AlphaGo, right? Okay,
The highest 3,000.
It has the volume to
can't
crash
get
through.
4,000.
Okay, crashing through. That's a nice one. I like it. Once again, as we switch to the full chart, you see the volume is there, and we don't have a green color. Approaching the S2. Nice. Interesting, huh? Okay, for the crazy people like Kelly, I strongly believe that he is actually buying the put at S7 4.21 and still holding now, because none of the 1 minute actually crashed through.
Chess is like tic-tac-toe.
No, chess is more complicated than tic-tac-toe.
Chess is like tic-tac-toe.
Which is why
There are some moves where you start and then you move one move. I already know I won. There's no way you can win with the move.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Even if you make no mistakes, you can't win.
Maybe true. By the way, would you like to share why you prefer Solomon than Raphael?
I don't.
Then?
I didn't tell you to call me that.
Oh, so Solomon is not fixed yet. Why don't we give the viewer votes?
No.
I always feel Raphael is nice. Don't you? Let's see.
But it makes me feel slightly low though.
Raphael?
Yeah. It seems too middle,
Neither.
Almost there but not.
Almost there but not. What is already there but exceed? Michael?
Yeah.
No.
It's
Really?
like getting a checkmate with 7 bishop already there and exceed.
Okay, that's horrible. Oh, we are actually enjoying ourselves here while waiting for the setup. We may be having what so-called 1 minute in 10-second times. Well, and then we can pass through the. Okay, please remember the pre-market low is 86.6. Well, Tesla is very interesting. Later I'll say before. Before we go to the market one. I'll continue later. So 69.14. Get ready. 69.14. Okay. It hit. And you need to pass through the 2 minute for it to have a large gap down. 67.04 actually. Let's see how it works. By the way, I did a front run. It did not actually hit. Okay, it hit now. Yeah, I think on the chart it didn't hit, because we need to have it on the ask, if I remember, for puts. Okay, going for the 2 minute, 867.04. 867.04. Okay, need to pass through the 858. Okay, pass. 867.04. Please, thank you. Okay, the 04 will be a strong one. I can advise you guys to take half here. Would you take half here? We take half here then. Okay. Yeah, I'll wait for you to crash through. What do you think? Do you think you'll crash through? You can't guess, right? Actually. Okay, our cut loss will be our entry point 69.19. Hopefully not. I still want it to crash through 867.04. Actually, 10 more seconds. I strongly believe the next minute, right, will crash through. Do you believe me on that? I strongly believe. But of course, my new cut loss will be still the same. Yeah. Okay.
What if it was a green bar?
It's a green bar. We'll exit the trade with profit for the second half as well, which is now. It didn't pass through 9.26. The cut loss is not say cut loss. The second exit for the second half is 9.26. It's now. Yep. Nice trade. Yeah. Let me go to where I stopped just now. Anyway, you see, that's what Tesla always do. Okay, Tesla always like to have a lowest point and a high point of 66.66. It's very weird. Or $888 at 0.88. That's a very weird thing. Okay, passing through the 704 will let me have another entry of a green takes rate where it may pass through the 866.66. I have encountered so many times already. Well, see, that's why we exit. Why is it that every time it's a two-person podcast, you will be so quiet? Would you like to share? Okay, passing through, let me see. There is a call trade, 71.05. Yeah. There is a call trade at 71.05. It's risky. I'm not taking it, but there is a call trade. Let's see how it can go and whether it can pass the VWAP. Do you think it can pass the VWAP? 71.05 actually. The 1 minute 8. Oh, we have the one. Okay, it passed. And let's see. No, it didn't manage to squeeze through the VWAP. Lucky thing I didn't take it. Okay, we have a put for 1 minute 869.26. Getting ready. 869.26. Oh, that will be a hammer, right? If you go through, right? Raphael Solomon. Okay. Oh no. I enter early. That was an early trade, guys. It didn't went through, by the way. Elijah. No, Elijah is too strong of a name. You'll be banned. Okay, yeah, it actually going to hit. No, not yet. 2.6, not yet. It didn't hit actually. What? What is that?
Job
numbers is better. Okay, it hit and passed. So we need to pass the green 2 minute, which is still 67.16. Passing through that will be a good exit point for me. 67.16. It didn't pass. It touched. It didn't pass yet. I am tempted to. Okay, this is the one that I'm selling. Goodbye, guys. Wow, nice one towards the S2, right?
Yeah.
Okay, the S2 should bounce. They will bounce on the S2, which is why we take our profit here. For the newcomer, this dotted line, the S2 is a support level, which if we saw it, that's the place where I take profit. Wow, we have marvelous trade today. Okay, it may need a second 1 minute to crash through. Passing through the 65.43 will be a good one for Tesla to break through the S2 with volume. Let's see whether it has volume. Let me see. Okay, not much. Still need more volume to pass through. Oh, this 2 minute is nice. We do have really nice, because it's a hammer, you see. Oh, do you see that? Just now it was red. So we actually passed through the 2 minute proudly. Well, lucky thing we are in the trade. Okay, it passed through with volume. That's good. Nah. Kelly waited until now.
And only half.
And only half. Well, that I told you right. He will wait for the S2 before he even consider. See, you madman. Yeah, indeed. Why don't we try that next time? Can we?
No.
We'll call ourselves the machine gun room or the bazooka room or something like that. You know, bazooka is it bazooka or is it thing? It's a Hebrew word for weapon of destruction or something like that, if I remember correctly. Yeah. Okay, passing through the 2 minute low, 69.3.5, 63.5. I'm not taking this straight, by the way, guys. This is another hammer, but it's a hammer to the top. Unlike this hammer to the bottom, it will create a very nice put trade for us. A hammer to the top is actually not a favorable one for me to consider taking puts. So I will, especially with the S2 line here. So I'll be waiting. Since we have 3 very nice trade today, very nice trade today. So just wait. We could have 4 very nice trades today if you let me short Tesla immediately on the open. Right? Ralph Lauren. Or Solo Fell.
No.
Solo Fell sounds weird. Actually, Solomon is a good name. Really? You don't think so? No? Okay, market 1, 6864. Guys, I'm not taking this. 864.58. I'm not taking it. Let me see whether you turn anything to different color, just in case. This bar actually just now is red. Seems like TC2000 having certain I would say calculation problems recently, right?
Why?
You always become a red and a green issue, which affect us a lot. Not say a lot, but affect us. How's your nose? Is your nose okay?
No, it became smaller on the inside.
On the inside.
Yeah, my finger can go through more. It became smaller.
It
became smaller. It's more narrow. I don't know.
This is a nice one. Actually, I will take it a quick one. 64.5. Yeah. Here. A quick entry. If it goes wrong, I'll take a quick exit at 66 actually. This is a quick entry. The cutoff is 66. The one thing point is for it to be below 64. passing through the entire 64. Okay, this allowed me to have the take. Okay, one more gap. Okay, break even here. Okay, profit taking, nice. I should be taking my half profit here actually, the correct way, but I don't have time to change the slot, the option allocation, and I worry that it bounce up too high, because we should be going down to test the 860 whole number. So that's the point where I would suggest to take off the rest of the half. Yeah, you hear him sneezing over here, having nose problem. But who knows, right? Taking the profit now may be a wise choice if it bounce up. Once again, like I said, today we had several very wonderful trade today. Well, 4 actually. Let's see, wait for the another 2 minutes. I hope this 2 minute buy is not that good. Actually, I don't see any very good setup now. Not much. What? It's too cold or what? You want to have a warm bag for your nose? Is there such a thing? Warm bag for a nose? Okay, guys, I just have a suggestion from someone, like you should use the way you put your leg when you're trading on the chair actually affect how you think. I've been trying to practice that just now. Oh, it was fun, but I put back to my normal position immediately. Well, it seems to not working for me. Okay, 2 minute down is 218, followed by the gap through, push through to 860. This is once again we reach the choppy part of Tesla. Not going to trade unless it pass through 218 strongly. Okay, QQQ is helping us. Okay, taking it, let it touch the 860. Because it's dangerous, I'm taking half here for the small profit. Well, lucky thing I took it before it gap up. Okay, holding on to the trade. The cut loss will be at my open at 863 actually, but still holding on. Need it to pass the 860 anyway. Q is not helping. Okay, I'll take an early quick escape here. I'm not waiting. Yeah, I'm not waiting for the new for it to go to 865 anymore. Oh, lucky thing I did that. That's a good choice. The second one is a break even. It's a break even. But it can still go down. Well, it did. The target is still touching 860 and breaking through, but it need volume and help from QQQ. Snow. There's no such word, right?
What?
Snow. Calling yourself Snow will be weird.
Who's Snow?
No, Snow is a stock actually. A very popular stock owned by
Why
Warren
do
Buffett.
they just call themselves Snow? It ain't winter.
Yeah. It's actually from the Throne of Game. That guy called himself Snow. Actually, most people call themselves Snow.
American.
The bastard in the Throne of the Game. Yeah.
It's still American.
Yeah, he's still American. Solomon is not American. Raphael is not American.
But Americans use it.
No?
Yes, they do. You don't hear Raphael.
No. I hear Italian calling himself Raphael. Not much of.
Italians are still American.
No.
Everything that is in Europe is American.
Yeah, I know, but the American use a lot of Hebrew names because they are Christian name, you see. That is the purpose. Just like you don't see a lot of Solomon, right? Only Russian use that.
Like Michelangelo.
Your what? Michael? It's getting very, very few nowadays. During my time, I'm not going to say when it's my time. During my time, there is a lot of Michael here and there.
Are you Angelo?
Michael learned to rock. Oh yeah, Michelangelo. Yes.
I had a friend with that name last time.
Michelangelo?
Yeah,
Wow.
good name.
Okay. So you need to give yourself a serious thought, huh? Okay, we have a unconverted green. Let me check the color before it change. Okay, we have an unconverted 861.56. Dangerous one. The 863.05 is 1 minute for you to follow through. But I think you will fade up before gapping down. So I strongly think that you will, from now onwards, let's see whether I'm right, you'll bounce, keep going up slowly until you touch a VWAP, then we can have a nice, wow, what's this? You can have a nice puts over here. You seems to have a lot of allergy recently. Is that allergy or is that rashes?
It's COVID-19.
It's a COVID-19 now. Anyway, guys, Singapore just announced the news that we are not going to have any masks.
No, everyone's still going to wear a mask.
Everyone's still going to have masks for the sake of wearing masks.
No, nobody's gonna take off the mask.
Are you sure? I just saw people taking off the mask without it being legalized.
No one's going
Today.
to take off the mask.
Wow.
That's just nobody will. Nobody.
Well, we will be maskless, only for hospital and public transport. You still need to put your mask on. Beside that, well, most places mask is actually off for next week.
Our school.
Yeah, and we have a law cancellation of panel 377A. Yep. Are we allowed to say that in YouTube? Is there a restriction on that?
You're on the edge.
Oh, really? There's such a thing that I'm on the edge? Okay. Rated screen 63.29. Let's see. I will like it actually. 63.29. 63.29. Not yet. Okay, here we go. We hit. And let's see whether it can go down to the low point. Of course, still like what I mentioned, a risky trade. Getting more and more risky. I'm taking half. Okay, taking half profit and wait. It doesn't seem to have enough volume and QQQ is not helping. My second half cut loss will be at the point of this high, 864.9, or even earlier, which because I don't like it. Let's see how it goes. You need to pass the 1 minute low, 2.58, for it to further down. Then another 1 minute low, the 2 minute 1.66, 1.56 actually. Still holding on to the half. We have 30 more seconds before we close the live, but don't do that. But I'll still hold on to this trade until we close till we close. So we may have an extension if the market is good. I don't mind keep falling until 12 o'clock. Great, still touching, not yet. $1.56. You need to pass through $1.56. Okay, passing through. Okay, let's wait for it to crash through the 860 if possible. If not, okay, I'm taking another quarter now. Another
Okay.
quarter. And holding on to the final quarter for it to go to the moon. I believe with the QQQ help we can crash through 860 for my last quarter. And where the quarter will be? Oh, Kelly exit everything now.
Oh, now
Yeah,
let's go. Okay.
yeah, yes. Yes, that's fun. That's actually very fun. It seems hard for it to crash through the last quarter. Okay, my exit point for last quarter will be 862.24. There will be still a profit, but naturally I want it to crash through 860. Not that it is trying, but not much. However, this is a small quarter, so I don't mind waiting. And you guys don't mind joining me, right, for the extra time?
Extra time.
Yeah, I call it extra time. Okay, going close. I'm moving my exit higher to 861.5. Anytime it crash through 861.5, I'll be exiting. Or of course, you can still pass through the 860. Okay, still holding. It didn't touch. Okay, it touched. Goodbye. Nice trade, guys. Well, we close at we take at 863. We have we divided into 3 different cells, which all had a different level of profit. I do believe it will crash down. Actually, with the Q actually start to crash down now. But I did a early last quarter is because this live is ending. That's why I don't want you guys to hold on. Because if not, actually my cut-off point is actually our break-even, which is 863.29. But who knows? It might turn out to be best. Anyway, thanks for coming.
Hey.
Like to say goodbye to everybody.
Yeah.
Yep.
You go first.
Goodbye, guys.
Goodbye.
Have a nice Monday.
Monday.
Yep. Bye bye.